The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a flood warning for the South Branch Raritan River at Stanton until Wednesday morning, or until the warning is canceled. 2:15 p.m. Tuesday, the stage was 7.1 feet. Flood stage is 8.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Rise above flood stage by this afternoon and continue to rise to near 9.9 feet later today. The river will fall below flood stage by early tomorrow. Impact, 10.0 feet. Houses upstream begin to take on water. Flood history. This crest compares to a previous crest of 9.9 feet on October 19, 1996.